Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the newly done Coleman Light 2515 RL. So Coleman Light made some nice upgrades this year and a couple tweaks to the look as well. So let's dive right in and check it out. So right off the bat, if you were looking at a Coleman last year, you'll notice some differences. So they've gone away completely from the tan exterior, new graphics package, still has the same fiberglass cap, just tweaked a little bit and added in these nice LED accent lightings. You'll notice up front, it's got the power tongue jack with the power stabilizer jacks. So same package they had last year, combined with the power awning. And you'll notice it's like the full length of this trailer. Solid stance steps, the triple entry. They have adjustable feet on them, so you can adjust as needed. Extended grab handle. They are enclosed and heated underneath. And all the Coleman Lights now sport a 60-gallon freshwater tank. So in an ultralight class, that's almost unheard of. Most are in the 40s, so you get a little bit extra water with the Coleman Light. The roof is fully walkable, so it's made with 5-inch stamped steel trusses. So that'll take snow no problem during the winter. And of course, yourself, when you go up there to check your seals and do your maintenance, you can walk up there no problem. Okay, let's go inside and check it out. All right, so welcome inside. Right off the bat, you'll notice nice pantry space. Okay, so lots of storage. 7 cubic foot fridge. So this is a bit bigger of a fridge than you'll get in a lot of travel trailers this size compared to the 6. This type of fridge also has this clip built in here, so you can snap your fridge door open and let it ventilate when you're not using, so it doesn't get stale in your fridge. Really cool feature, you don't have to buy those plastic clips. So for kitchen, seamless countertops throughout the whole trailer. You got the new Furion oven this year with the glass front. That can double as your backsplash, okay? Or sorry, not Furion, Greystone. They've changed to a Greystone from the Furion this year. And then underneath, you got your pots and pans drawer. So lots of counter space. You got your drawers for cutlery, overhead cabinets, lots of space for storage. And of course, one of my favorite features of this trailer is all the windows. So if you got a back, lake lot type view or on a golf course or something like that, you have plenty of window space to enjoy that. And then of course you got your main kind of closet, pantry, however you want to use it. Booth dinette, there is storage underneath. And new feature standard in the Coleman Lights this year is the electric fireplace. So that actually gives off heat. It's 5,000 BTUs and it's hot instantly. You turn that on and that'll take the chill right out of the air. It also has kind of a nice little accent lighting that you can kind of change around and play with. TVs are standard this year now as well. Of course, air conditioning, all standard, in-floor heating. That's how we get that nice radiant heat to keep your tanks warm underneath. And then we can head into your washroom. So one thing Coleman does a little bit differently with this plan is add the extra door into your master bedroom. So it's kind of doubles as the ensuite. They give you a little hanger here for towels and what have you. You got the glass radius shower, and then your vanity, and then sliding door into your master bedroom. Come on in. Full-size queen bed, 60 by 80 inches. It's got storage underneath. And then on either side, they give you 12-volt USB ports, as well as little nightstand drawers for whatever you want to use them as. And then of course, closet space. And that about does it for the Coleman 2515 in the Light series. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. I'll catch you next time. Hi everybody, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This way you can stay on top of all our trailer demos, our walkthroughs, upcoming promotions here at Arcan Trailer. I'm Mike, I'll catch you next time.